Today I am finally going to dye my hair. It's been a couple months since I dyed my hair, so I am definitely due for like a new color. As you can see, my hair is like brown. My natural hair is very like dark brown, but I have this like hair dye right here that is a little bit lighter, like a lighter brown. So I just want everything to look a lot more even. So today I'm going to be dyeing my hair with eSalon, and this video is sponsored by eSalon. I have been using their hair dye kit for the longest time now. I really like their hair dye. I love their personal colorist kit, which now you can actually get on Amazon. I will be putting this color kit in my Amazon storefront, and I will be tagging it right here in this video, like down below, if you guys want to check it out. What's so funny is that last time I used eSalon to dye my hair, I actually did a quiz online, and this was literally the same shade that was matched to me. Pretty brown almost. It's actually called the darkest brown natural golden with a natural golden and refresher. This is a custom color. So it's basically kind of like the same color as this one. So pretty cool. They actually selected some of their like most popular shades, and they have it available on Amazon now, so you can just purchase it. It's about $30, super affordable. So yeah, I'm gonna just get right into it. I'm gonna show you guys how I dye my hair at home. It's super easy and quick to do, and this kit literally includes everything you need to dye your hair at home. It's like so amazing. I really like it. So first we're gonna use the stain guard, and I'm just gonna put it like around my face, like in my hairline. Now we're just gonna mix everything. So I'm literally gonna put everything in here, and we're gonna mix it with a brush. I'm gonna put the developer right here. My personal color is also gonna go in here. As you can see, the color is starting to come. So it's starting to look like a little bit of a brown. I like to take very small sections and work my way up. And so we're just gonna start applying this to the roots with the brush. You can also use the bottle that comes in the kit, but since I have this brush, I figured why not. I'll take a little bit more, and I'll put this on the rest of the section, and then I can use my fingers just to help it spread. And again, we're just gonna apply this to the roots and work my way down. So this personal colorist kit is actually drawing inspiration from some of their award-winning color sets. eSalon selected some of the most popular and universally flattering shades that you can take home whenever you want. And I love that this is available on Amazon, and it's only $32. And I actually used Amazon Prime, and I got it in like 2 days, which is awesome. This color kit brings everything you need. So the hair color developer, classic shampoo, conditioner, stain guard and stain remover, and 2 pairs of gloves. This has up to 100% gray coverage. It's crafted for all hair types, multi-dimensional results. This color kit is amazing. I mean, I've used it so many times. I totally recommend grabbing it. It's very easy to use. I applied all the hair dye. I actually had a lot left. I ended up using both of them, but I will be using this later in the shower, so I'll show you guys how I use this later for extra shine, so stay tuned. But now I'm gonna use the stain remover, and I'm basically just gonna try to take some of the stain off of my face. So I'm just wiping this. All my makeup is coming off, which is fine. But I'm just wiping this because I do not want to stain my face. But yeah, right away I definitely like to remove the mess, and as you can see, get it off of my skin. And I even use this to wipe down any mess that I maybe made in my bathroom as well. So this definitely comes in handy. I'm gonna set my timer for 35 minutes. I'm just gonna clean up real quick, and then I'll meet you guys in the shower. So step number 2 in the shower is actually very important if you want more shine. Once the timer goes off, bring leftover color, classic shampoo, conditioner, and a fresh pair of gloves to the shower. So that's why you get 2 pairs of gloves in this kit. Fill the bottle containing leftover color with water and mix together. So what I did was actually pour some water in the bowl. So wearing your gloves, tilt your head back, and pour mixture over entire hair. Massage everything for 2 to 3 minutes and follow with the shampoo and conditioner. So far, the color actually looks very nice. It looks like a chocolatey brown almost. I really like it. So I'm gonna prep my hair now. I'm gonna add a little bit of this eSalon Velvet Primer. This is for smooth and shiny hair, and it's supposed to help control frizz. So I am gonna do a blowout today, so I'm just gonna add some of this to my hair and also some heat protectant. So I'll add that next, but I'm gonna apply a pretty good amount, about that much, just because I want my hair to be like extra hydrated and shiny. And yeah, I have a lot of hair, so that's a good amount. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of this triple prep prepping spray. This is a heat protectant and it protects up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm just adding this to all my hair. Pretty good amount. These products smell really good. But anyways, I'm gonna do all my hair now and I'll be back with the final look. I know that this video is already a little bit long, so I don't wanna like focus too much on the blowout process because I'm always blowing out my hair here in my channel. So this video was more focused on just basically how I dye my hair at home. So yeah, I'll be back once I finish drying all my hair. So this is the final look. This is the hair color. I actually really like it. It looks so nice. It really looks like a nice rich chocolatey brown, and it's actually a little bit lighter than before, like just a little tiny bit lighter. So I feel like it's perfect for the summer now because I like a lighter hair color for the summer and then like a darker hair color for like the fall and the winter. If you guys want to check out this kit from eSalon, I will be linking it down below in the description box, and also I will have it on my Amazon storefront, so definitely check it out. And yeah, let me know what you think about this hair color. I am feeling it. This looks so refreshing and new. It's very similar to my other hair color, but at the same time, it's super different in a way. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It just looks super even. And the color is just like so rich. I just really love it. Thank you again, eSalon, for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.